Hi everyone, we are going to see the demo of the application. So I will set the app recorder. First of all, I will start the app recorder. And once I have clicked the tab, once I have clicked the tab, I will save it, this file as a APK. Once I have confirmed that is playing the correct app. Yeah, this is our application, music application. I will start over, click. The every activity will be here. You can see in the right side of the screen. Yeah, first we will hi everyone. I'm going to demo this application, and yeah, in this application I will start up with the app recorder. The every activity can able to see in the right side of the page, and I will start with the sign up. As a user, I'm going to create here new. Yeah, once I have clicked the sign up, you can see what are the things I have done, what are the actions I have done. You can see in the right side. I have clicked the as a my 123 as a user ID and my 23 at gmail.com is the user ID for the example, and I will set the password as per the conditions. The minimum password length is 8. I will set the confirm password. Once I have clicked that, I will click the terms and conditions. Yeah, you can see in the right side. We need to read the terms and conditions. You have clicked it, it will open the PDF page. Once we have read the terms and conditions, we can back to the sign up page. The same thing we can do it for the disclaimer also. Once I click the disclaimer, it will open the disclaimer PDF. Once we read the disclaimer, the user will be read the disclaimer back to uh, the sign up page. Even the both checkbox need to tick as true, and the sign up button will be enabled. This is the logic we have. So once sign up, there is for the subscription tiles. The subscribe now, it will lead us to the login page. We have to login. So as per the user ID, I will click mike123@gmail.com. The password I have entered here. Yeah, you can see the activity in the right side. I click that and started to log in here. The login is successful. And once log in, as a new user we have logged in, it has to subscribe. So subscribe, we need to enter the payment details of the card and I need to done the payment. So as a demo, I will enter the test stripe card. Yeah, you can see in the right side what are the things I am doing here. You can see in the right side. 0127. Yeah, the things also enter here. The CV is set as 123 and the zip code will be enter as a 5540. So everything I don't want to save this, so I will click the tick button, and it's the pay button is pay $50 is enabled. Once I have clicked the pay $50, yeah, I have to the tap. So it's once the payment confirmation done within the background, it will take 2-3 seconds. Yeah, now we can able to see the music applications, and we have see the musics here. Yeah, once we have done the payment, we can check the subscription details. Yeah, it will take open up to 3 minutes, sorry, seconds. It will the status is active. With the today date is October 6th, 2025. The next month, November 5th, will be the renewal date. The validity is 30. And we can set the auto debit options for the users. If we need to, they need to set the first of all default payment method. So that's why here the text showing no default payment was set. So once I try to click the uh, auto payment enabled, so it has to set the add payment method. So once I have agreed the everything, yeah, here, yeah, the same thing we need to enter the card details and the CVV and expiry date. Yeah, we can see in the right side what are the things I have entered. You can see CVV setup. So as the like to, the once you have entered everything, basic card number and everything, and I will set up with the setup tab. Yeah, tab on setup I have clicked here. So once it have done, it redirects to the existing page. Yeah, now we can able to select auto and so done. So if not required, I will willing the user will willing to disable the auto payment. They can able to disable. So again, the user willing to enable the auto payment. They can click it, the one confirmation message. So already we have set the payment. Before you can see the red mark or the default payment method on set, please set the message here. Now default payment method once set, it will show the green text and it says as a default payment method set. So once I have done with that, I can add back to the, the music page. Yeah. Now I am going to play the here. Yeah, you can see the music is started to play in the mini bottom player. Yeah, once I need to maximize this the menu bottom player. Yeah, I will click. It will open here. Yeah, yeah, equalizer options here. Once I have clicked the top right, I click the yeah, equalizer is enabled. Equalizer enabled. We can switch between the top, chess, whatever the options you require, and you can set customize decibel also in the equalizer. Once the customize, it will be showing in the. So once you want to reset to the flat, so you can click the reset to flat. It will. So once if you done with the set your equalizer as for, you can back to the music player. The so once we can the next button, it will play the next of the audio. Once the back button you can redirects to the audio. And once we have done with it, we can increase the volume and reduce the volume. We can mute itself once we have moved it here. Yeah, it's muted. You can pick the full volume also. And once the refresh button is the song playing is the 19 seconds and 20 seconds. We want to restart, it will start from the scratch. So once I have need to pause, I will pause and I have back to the home page. Yeah, sorry, you can see. Yeah, now we can check the music player how it's working. Even the music by the category. Binaural category we have seen, and now music category we can. I'm playing now. Actually, yeah, I want to would like to pass this, so I have passed it here. Yeah, my mail also loading takes time. And in the binaural, we have set the subcategory. In the sleep and relaxation, we have four songs here. If we want to click here, it's the player also, the mini player started to play, and you can maximize like what we done before. And the next category focus on the even the admin not set. We don't have any music in under the subcategory of focus and productive. Right, here's the mini player. At the same thing, we can follow in the music also. Now I back to the home page, and while we click the left top, I have see the notification preference. Now the as a user, I am going to set the notification. The email reminder will be sent or the subscription when it's expired, and the push notification also done by within this application. We can get the push notification itself. So here in the notification, we have I have set that a user can set frequency, the 3 days, 7 days, 1 day, when expired. I tick the everything. If not required when expired 1 day before, we can mark it as this. Yes, we can able to enable or disable the checkbox. This one. The preference time you can set. The defaultly is 9 a.m. So 9 a.m. everyone the user will be the busy. So I have set it as a 8 p.m. in the evening or night. So we can change the time zone also. So I have set the time zone as EST. Once everything is done, I will give the save preference. The notification preference will be saved here. Yeah, sorry. Actually, in the right side, you can what are the tabs I have clicked, you can see here. And once I have done with the notification preference, I go back to the application. And once I have done with that, we can check the notification history. As of now, there is a no history. You can refresh also, refresh the page also. So everything I have done with that. So, yeah, once I have done with it, even you can stay willing to stay, the user can stay with us if there is a no want to log in. So the user want to stay with application, click cancel. So you need to log out, you can log out from the application with click. So this is the flow of the application I have explained here. And one thing I want to would like to say here, we have checked in the this the Appetize application, application. So if while we have run this application in the our Android mobile or iOS mobile, it will be more faster than what we see now. This is the thing I would like to say here. Thank you.